Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English classroom for standard 7. It's Naila Afroz Ghazi. I have taught you lesson number 2.2, The Souvenir. Today we shall solve English workshop given behind the lesson. It is on page number 28 in your textbook. So, see English workshop exercise number 1. Guess the meaning of the following words. It is in your textbook on page number 28. Exercise number 1. Guess the meaning. Number 1. Exorbitantly. The word given is exorbitantly and the meaning is exceedingly or beyond limit. Exceedingly बहुत ज़्यादा, beyond limit. Number 2. Precautions. The meaning of precaution is here to take care in advance. किसी भी चीज़ की एहतियात करना पहले से. Number 3 is unauthorized. Unauthorized means without official permission. I have also given you some meanings at the beginning of the lesson. In this you can also find the meaning of unauthorized, without official permission, जिसकी रजामंदी नहीं मिलती है लीगली और ऑफिशियली. Next is repeatedly. Repeatedly means happening again and again. The next is enthusiastically. Enthusiastically means with great interest. किसी काम को बहुत ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी से करना. Enthusiastically. In this we have exercise number 2. In exercise number 2, it is asking, use the details given in the story and your imagination. We have read the story, you understood the story thoroughly. Now use your imagination and prepare a timetable for the trip to the moon. Imagine that you are going to a trip on the moon. So prepare a timetable for that. Exercise number 3. Say whether the following statements are right or wrong. थर्ड एक्सरसाइज जो है इसमें आपको बताना है कि जो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हुए हैं वो राइट है या रॉन्ग है. इन दिस वी हैव नंबर 1. सयाली वॉज ट्रैवलिंग इन स्पेस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. Yes, this statement is true because Sayali was really traveling for the first time in space. While I am telling you the answer, you have to write in your notebook. If it is not possible to write at a time in your notebook, you may write with your pencil in the textbook and then copy in your notebook. The meaning is also on your screen. The right and wrong answer is also I am suggesting you which answer is right, which answer is wrong. So write R for right and W for wrong and then copy in your notebook. Don't say that teacher you haven't given us the notes. All the notes of English are in my videos only. You have to watch the videos, then only you can copy my notes. Number 2. Many changes had occurred in the earth in the 100 years before Sayali's trip to the moon. That is a wrong statement. Not so many changes had occurred on the earth. Earth will be the same into 100 years. 100 years में अर्थ में कुछ भी ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं आता है. बहुत लंबे टाइम के बाद में कोई किसी भी प्लानेट में कोई चेंज आता है. So 100 years is not enough to make any change in our planet Earth. Number 3. There were no old cities left on the earth. This statement is also wrong. Old cities will remain as same on the earth. Sayali's mother did not want her to go on the trip. This statement again is wrong because Sayali's mother encouraged her to go on such a long trip because she had never been. उसकी मम्मी कभी इतनी दूर ट्रिप पर नहीं जा सकी थी, इसलिए उसने सयाली को इनकरेज किया था कि दैट इफ़ यू गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी मेक इट अ होल. अगर तुम्हें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है, अगर ये तुम्हें ऐसा मौका मिला है तो तुम्हें इसे मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. नंबर 5. There were no human settlements on the moon. This statement is also wrong because there were human settlements on the moon when Sayali's trip reached there. Next, Sayali made a hasty purchase. Yes, this statement is right. Sayali made a hasty purchase. उसने जल्दी में वो ईयररिंग्स खरीदे थे. कोई चीज़ जो उसने खरीदी थी वो बहुत उजलत में खरीदी थी. ये स्टेटमेंट राइट है. नेक्स्ट, Sayali did not understand the mistake she had done. This statement is wrong because after reaching on the earth, when her mother said that how can I wear such heavy earrings at that time, Sayali realized that she had made a mistake. उससे ये समझ में आ गया था कि उसने एक मिस्टेक की है और वो मिस्टेक ये थी कि अर्थ की ग्रेविटी में उन ईयररिंग्स का जो वेट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था. सो दिस इज़ अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. वी हैव सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3. I shall stop here and further exercises we shall solve in our next video. Copy these exercises in your notebook first of all. Thank you very much for watching and listening. We shall meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.